Rap Saing Battle.
Magmula sa umaga hanggang sa gabi, isa lang nasa isip ito ang kanin. Pag ako'y nagsaing, hindi ko niluluto ang ulam ni Atiklang. Si Emilio kasi paglabas, tuyo ang hinanda.
My name is Emilio and I'm really nice. But do you, Ralph? I'm not gonna be nice. Because you are the white boy here. But you know, I'm here to school you. I'm gonna show you how to cook some rice. Wait here now and sit tight. Your rice lacks taste. Just like your face.